in my TV, when I go to YouTube, it says YouTube is not supported on this device. To fix this problem, follow the steps. Go to Play Store and go to search. Type here browser, press enter. Select this browser, install. Once this installed and open, select all this next. Use the right click to get back and start the app. Search, press enter, go to Google and next, close. In Google, search STN beta, press enter, choose the search option. Now, using the mouse, you can control the mouse using arrows in your keyboard and press enter to select this link. Select this download stable. Select download. Select the download option. Select the APK. It's now download done. Select the APK and install unknown apps. Set this to on and using the right click, go back. Select the smart tube, press enter. Select install. Select open option and smart tube opens up. It's the same like YouTube, but it's an alternative application. Go to home and in home you can able to see favorite apps. Click on add more favorite apps. Using the down arrow, select smart tube. Whenever you want to open YouTube, you must select this smart tube and you can play the videos same like YouTube. I'm gonna play this video song. As you can see, the video song is playing right now. You can forward it. To go back, just press the right click. Same like YouTube. Close this application and I'll show you guys the default TV YouTube. It doesn't work for some reason. It shows the same problem. YouTube is not supported on this device. So this is the solution and you can enjoy the TV on a web PC. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.